Every app managed through Microsoft Intune impacts your organization's productivity and security. Effective monitoring is crucial to prevent disruptions or vulnerabilities. Mastering Intune's app monitoring features is essential for IT professionals aiming for secure and efficient administration. Start in the Apps section of the Intune Admin Center. Managed apps are listed with real-time status updates, showing successful installs, failures, and needed actions. Select any app to access detailed reports, view device installation results, error codes, and user impact in just a few clicks. Monitor trends over time with the app Install Status dashboard. Identify patterns like recurrent failures or compliance issues. Set up alerts to be notified when installations fall outside expected parameters, enabling timely resolution. Use app protection policies monitoring tools to see which devices are compliant, where enforcement is successful, and where remediation is needed. Filter and export monitoring data for audits or to share insights with your team. For day-to-day management, use bulk actions and troubleshooting tools directly from the dashboard, like resending app pushes or triggering compliance checks. By integrating these monitoring strategies, you proactively manage your organization's app landscape with confidence and efficiency.